This is the Lofree Flow84 and it might just be the cleanest low-profile mechanical keyboard to date. Ultra slim, crazy smooth and sounds like this. It has full aluminium body, weighs 810 grams, has hot swappable keys, rocking Kailh full POM switches, pre-lubed out of the box, all packed in an uber slim profile. Translation, it feels expensive, and it is, retailing for around £120. In terms of connectivity, it works with Mac, Windows, iPad and Android, and can pair with up to 3 devices and connect wirelessly via Bluetooth 5.0 and wired via a USB-C cable. In terms of battery life, it remains charged for up to 40 hours without lighting, and lighting options include RGB side lights and white backlights. How would I improve this keyboard? 1. Add adjustable legs. 2. Improve wireless connection. Often it requires an initial wired connection to repair to a device upon startup. For the smoothest typing experience on a low profile mechanical keyboard, Lofree is number 1. In terms of build quality and aesthetics, the Flow84 nails it. Not the cheapest, but definitely one of the cleanest. Follow for more useful tech reviews.